Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I have a quick little sticker haul to share with you guys, as well as a digital collection that I cut and printed out, and a peachy cheap deal that will be coming out November 4th. I'll have all the information down below so you guys can get whatever I mentioned on this video. Now the stickers, it's multiple places. I was on the hunt for these stickers, so I kind of bought out whatever I found on eBay. A lot of them are sold out. But yeah, you guys, let's get into it. So as far as the stickers, you guys know I've been playing around with Frank Garcia's Dulce collection, and I absolutely loved using these gold animals, and they are perfect for those projects using that collection. So I just found a bunch of sellers on eBay and purchased a whole bunch, as well as these little carnival ones. You guys, I'm obsessed. So I picked up, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 packs of the animals. And this is what they look like. You guys complimented them so much on all my Dulce bag toppers and stuff like that. So I figured I need more. And I keep searching, you guys, because some places they're charging like $8 a pack. I'm not paying that. The most I'd pay was like $2 or $3. And these are the ones that I got. And then I picked up 4 of these, which are the carnival theme. I love these so much. You get the little horse, the little race cart. I love the cotton candy. These are much lighter. This one almost looks red, but I still love them. So I got 4 packs of those. And if I find that there's any more left on the eBay sites that I went on, because I know that a lot of them just took the sale down because obviously they sold out, I will link those down below. As far as the peachy cheap deal that will be out on November 4th, it's going to be for 4 Echo Park ephemera packs, and these are the ones right here. So if you're looking to get these packs for a great deal, definitely be on the lookout for November 4th for these. You get the I Love Winter by Lori Whitlock, and these are the pieces. And then you also get the Cartabella Cabin Fever. This is last year's collection, which is super cute as well. I love this little bear. Excuse my nails, you guys. I haven't done them. I will, I promise. And then we have another Cartabella collection, which is Deck the Halls. I think this is last year as well. Those are the pieces. And then we have the Echo Park I Love Christmas by Lori Whitlock. I think this is also last year. So I think the only new one from this year, let me see, because usually it has the, actually no, this is not a new collection. It says 2016. So none of these are new. I thought these were new, but these are the 26 collections. And you get the I Love Christmas, and this is what you get on that one, which is perfect because everybody's going to start crafting for Christmas. So definitely be on the lookout for those on the Peachy Cheap Instagram page for the daily deal. And you guys, Cartabella did come out with another collection, which I purchased via digital, and I'll have that link down below. And it's called Snow Much Fun, which is such a cute name. And it's kind of like that bluey Christmas. I don't really usually craft with the blue Christmas, but I love this collection. So I want to show you guys, this is the cut apart sheet. I printed this out on my printer, and look, you guys, it's just so cute. Look at the little mittens. If the lighting is off, you guys, I apologize. It is 7 o'clock at night, so my lighting is not the greatest. Look at the little snowmen. And we got the little snowflakes. I love these, like little winter sweaters and thermals. We have like this floral piece. This one, it just has like a cute little diamond pattern. And we have this one. This one has just a bunch of little signs that say cozy at home, sit by the fire, winter magic. Super cute. Look at all the little snow globes. And the plaid. I only printed out the light colors because there are a few pages in this collection that are kind of like all blue like this, but I rarely craft with dark colors, you guys. It's just not my thing. So I printed those out, and I did cut out a couple of pieces of ephemera just to show you guys just a little bit. I didn't do all of them, but I did do a few. So we have this one that says fun times. It spells out a bunch of different words. So this one's fun times ahead. Then we have the little girl, the little snow globe, and then this little circle with a little house and the tree, a little mug, another little snow globe. And I usually am not a huge fan of Carta Bella ephemera, and I'll show you guys why. So we have this little cute card. For some reason, their images, you guys, they tend to make these little holes. I haven't figured out yet how to fix that on my machine, but I'm going to show you guys what I mean. But I love the ephemera. It's so cute. Look how delicate this is because it did the little string. But how cute is that? The little snowman. Look at this. How cute. I love it. I think the collection is adorable, you guys. So there's this piece, which is not too bad, as you can see. But it's just, I don't know. I'm not too keen of the little cuts that it does like that. I'd rather just have like a little white piece on the bottom. Memories and cozy. We have this one. And look how cute this one is, you guys. Is that not adorable? But you see how it does that on her hat? Like it just keeps, the machine keeps cutting and cutting and makes like random holes. I don't know. I haven't been able to figure out why it does that. We have this one with a bunch of trees. You guys, this is my favorite piece, the little bear. So I have a little tiny one, and then I have a little big one right here. So cute. We got some, this spells out snuggle. So there's a bunch of little pieces there that spell out the word snuggle. We got a little tag here, and then we have some trees. So yeah, you guys, that is the new Carta Bella Snow Much Fun. I'll have it linked down below. And that is it for my video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for my upcoming series on Sunday, which is 12 days of Lillerween, you guys. And it's going to be 12 days of giveaways as well. So get excited because that is coming starting on Sunday. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.